Up front, you've got one there. Follow that. Next one is going to be right there. One right there. Follow the drive shaft back to idle bearing. You got one right there. And follow the drive shaft back. And one more. Right back here. On the rear diff. Got one right there. So, let's get to it.
Alright, I'm going to be using Mobil 1 synthetic grease to grease the U-joints on my 2010 Toyota Tacoma 4x4. Pick Mobil 1 because I like synthetic, it blends with everything.
Alright, up underneath the truck here, right behind the transfer case up there. You got this U-joint here. Always start off by wiping off the zert first so you don't inject any dirt into it. Clean the tip off, get your gun up in there. I pump it till it starts to come out the zerts, or the caps, I'm sorry. And then to keep from flinging it all over your rig, wipe it off. Now as we go back the rig, alright, about the middle of the truck, right back here. Got another one right in there. On this one, unlike the other one, the zert was on the side of the U-joint. This one here, kind of hard to see, but the zert is on the face, right back there. You might be able to see it right there. Right there, my finger's on it. And it's facing us. There we go. Now you can see that damn thing. I'll show you. There you go. Right back there. I do believe I missed this one last time I greased the rig. That took about 4 pumps. There you go. Actually about 5 pumps. And you can see the grease coming out of the caps right there on the left. Okay. That's about good enough. All right. Next one is just aft of that. And you'll find it right there. Now this one's got caps with zert on the end of it. None in the middle. None in the center of the U-joint. So there's a cap with the zert there. That one feeds, that cap right there feeds the whole unit. All right, so we'll fill that up. That was about 5 pumps and started squirting out of there. Moving on back, follow the shaft back here to the idler bearing. Can't miss that one, it's right there. Right there. Unlike the other one, I'll clean.
on that one. I greased these on my last service, and the last service was exactly about 7,500 miles. I do 7,500 miles between services. So it's about 5 pumps on that one in the last 7,500 miles. So long story short, you want to make sure that if you're doing your own oil changes, like I do, because I just don't see giving all that money to everybody, grease these every service. A lot of talk about vibration and stuff. I don't experience much vibration in this truck, but it just seems to run a lot happier when these things are greased. A little quieter, so I'm sure that's it. All right. Yeah, we got one more. Follow it back. See, there's where we were. Follow your drive shaft on back. Here. Right there. That also is a cap that fills everything. All right. Clean it off. This will be the last one back here. There it is. Hey, thanks for watching me grease these joints. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, go ahead and comment, like it, subscribe to the channel. I have more videos coming up. We do RVs, fly tying, load and ammo, you name it. We do all kinds of things. So I update as often as I can, and we'll see you next time.